BlueFetch can supplement your existing delivery methods to better serve your customers. We'll deliver your products anywhere throughout the state of Florida. To get started, please call 727-804-4305. Here's how you place an order once you're set up. Open a web browser and type in fetch.blue to reach our website. Enter your username and password, then log in. You can also reset your password using the Forgot Password link. From here, click Courier Jobs in the top left-hand corner. Then click Request New Courier Job. The system will use your profile's information to fill in a pickup location. You can adjust this if needed. Fill out the form for your job, including your drop-off time, location, and contact information. Then, add products manually or upload a purchase order PDF for your courier order. Once you're finished, click Review Request. You'll see all your job information on the next page. Scroll down and hit Submit, or go back if needed. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted your request to BlueFetch. Once we review your request, you'll get an email from us. Log back in and you'll find our fetch price for your order. You can choose to either make payment or decline your delivery offer here. Click Make Payment to go to the payment page. You can accept payment on credit if you have a credit line with us, or you can enter your bank card information and submit payment. That's it. Your courier job will enter our system and we'll take the necessary steps to prepare for your order's pickup. We'll then deliver it to the location you entered at your requested time. Thanks for using BlueFetch.